Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting gardening technique, grafting. It's a great way to combine the best traits of two plants into one. We have our amazing team here to guide you through the process.
Used in fruit trees, ornamental plants, and even vegetable. Today we'll show you the most common methods step by step.
So here, road trips to insert your protocol. Grafting Let's go.
We begin, let's go over the materials you'll need for successful grafting.
This is the tools that we needed in grafting. First, we need to prepare our tools. Gundran have a sharp cutter and an ice bag. The ice bag will help us keep the grafted area cool, which encourages the healing process. Mr. Gundran fold the ice bag and cut it into three. Let's also make sure we have a clean working surface to avoid contamination. You can place your plant cuttings and the ice bag nearby for easy access. Now, Marvin prepared the scion. Using the cutter, we're going to make clean, straight cuts. Machado removed all the leaves from the scion before he attached it to the root stock. Then, we remove the top of the root stock to make space for inserting the scion. Then Machado cut the scion diagonally and we gradually split the root stock. Afterwards, we join the scion and root stock together and wrap it with an ice bag, making sure to wrap it properly to avoid water so it doesn't wilt. That's it! You've all successfully learned the grafting technique using a cutter and an ice bag.